Hey guys, let's do an Nclex question. So the question says a college health nurse interprets the peak expiratory flow rate for a student who has asthma and finds that the student is in the yellow zone of his asthma action plan. The nurse should base her actions on which of the following information. Select all that apply. All right, you guys, so you know how I do my select all that apply. We go through each answer option and choose whether it's true or false. So let's start with A. It says that the student should use his quick relief inhaler. That is true. So a student that is in the yellow zone should use a quick relief inhaler such as a albuterol to reverse the airway obstruction. Let's take a look at B. The student's asthma is not well controlled. That is also true. Being that the student is in the yellow zone, that shows that their asthma is not controlled. C says the student's peak flow is 50% to 80% of his best peak flow. Is that true or false? That is correct, because the yellow zone is considered the 50% to 80% of the peak flow. All right, let's move on to D. The student needs to go to the hospital. That is incorrect. This student does not need to go to the hospital. The student who would need to go to the hospital is the student that is in the red zone. Okay. So the last one is going to be E. It says that the nurse should obtain a second expiratory flow rate. Is that true or false? That is correct. So after the patient has used the quick relief inhaler, the nurse should obtain a second flow rate. So if you chose A, B, C, and E, then you are correct. So you guys, I know that the select all applies. They take a little bit more time, but it is so important that you take each answer option and you go through and be like, is this true or is this false? I hope you guys got this one correct.